Vanakkam, Namaste, hi everybody. I'm Govind Karpgocha from Silamboli.in. Silamboli brings you motivation by action. Today, Kumarvel shares his complete journey from no running to full marathon. He started at the age of 45. The good part is he shares everything openly. The better part, he shares also the hurdles he faced and how he overcame those hurdles. The best part, you have so much to take away to become a very good, enjoyable runner. Kumarvel is going to share his journey. Now it starts. 3, 2, 1, go!
I'm Kumaravel, marathoner. Endurance sport had given me a lot. The moment I started changing my lifestyle from my career-focused lifestyle to a health-focused lifestyle, this has given me a lot of great benefit to my well-being in terms of health, stress buster. The main management is on the stress side. It has helped me a lot to recover from the stress. I mean, business related, family related stress, work related stress. After getting into marathon running, I have become a new person. I started understanding my body well. I started understanding my needs well, my mental balance. All those things had progressed well, with my running. Definitely, I would identify myself as a marathoner, which helped me to find myself. I was not into any sports during school. During college, little about of shuttle I used to play. Never was into serious sports. I've not considered sports as a serious activity during my school days or my college days. See, around 45, I was diagnosed as a diabetic patient, and my family had a history. My mother was diabetic, so that's one of the reasons. I've seen her, suffer. I've seen her lifestyle getting affected. She was a very active person before, diabetes. After diabetes, her lifestyle totally shattered, and she was not able to move freely and all that. Maybe, she had her own reservation in terms of physical activity. That went deep into my things. And when I was first diagnosed as diabetic, I said, I'm not going to follow my mother's footstep in terms of diabetes. I'm going to fight against it. I have seen her taking umpteen number of tablets to prevent diabetes, or control diabetes rather. So I know diabetes cannot be cured, only can be managed. So I did some kind of reading, and I felt it can be managed with good lifestyle, good exercises, good food, good well-being. Well-being meaning, less stress. So that is the stage I realized, and at the same time, wife was also into issues. So we both needed physical activity. So we wanted, both to motivate each other. So we invested into a treadmill at home because our business lifestyle was different, and we had different timings. So we were not comfortable running on the roads or on the track. That's the reason, we invested in a treadmill and started running. That happened, sometime in 2012. We started running. We felt good, but there were limitations on the treadmill. We were not able to do beyond half an hour. And the worst part was doing it indoor, and with all the heat and everything, it was becoming a nightmare doing exercise, which we did not want that way to happen. That forced us out of the home, started, venturing out to start running on the roads. Running on the road, the first day, it was a big nightmare. On the treadmill, I used to run 5 kilometers, 6 kilometers continuous. But when I started running on the road, that posed a big challenge. And the first 100 meters was big effort to be put in to do that. Then I realized, okay, road running is different, treadmill running is different. And that posed a challenge. And I took that challenge. Okay, let me break that. Let me achieve on what distance I was doing on treadmill. I have to do it. That's how I started running, setting minimal target like 1 kilometer, 2 kilometer, 3 kilometers. So progress slowly, walk or run. Continue running for two kilometers, walk for 2 kilometers. This is how it was for more than 6 or 7 months. At one point, my son joined me on one day, along with me on the run. And only then, we realized, okay, we should do some events to encourage ourselves, which motivates us, which keeps us our interest going. Then we thought, okay, first logical choice should be a 21.1 kilometer run, a half marathon. So started practicing for that. The confidence I had was I can walk that distance. So I knew even if I'm not able to run, I can walk and complete. Setting the goal that way, to focus on that, we started walking, started running, slowly practicing, and we both took part in a marathon nearby town. So that helped us to get some confidence. The first the half marathon, this was big challenge. In fact, we thought, we were well prepared, but the event itself posed a very big challenge. By the time we finished, we were literally, I mean, our body was hot meaning very hot. We thought, I mean, we have high fever running. We never thought, I mean, we have never, I've never felt that kind of feeling, I mean, after a run so far. So being that distance. So again, that posed a challenge. Why this is happening? Then you start learning the process. The whole marathon process as such is more of a learning process. You understand your body. You listen to your body. You understand and listen and make modifications to meet your goals. So in this case, I mean, the goal was 21 kilometers. We met that. So now the next goal, what it is. I finished it in 2 hour 45 minutes or 50 minutes. I don't remember exactly, but it was well beyond 2.5 hours. The next target was to finish it well below 2.5 hours. Obviously, I mean, because when you talk to runners, different runners, many finish faster, many slower. But typically, you race against you in a marathon or in a race. It is not, you are not competing with anyone. I mean, it is a race against you. You competing to challenge the distance. The distance is the challenge. You meet the challenge. You complete the challenge. You better the challenge. This is what the marathon gives you. So it trains your mind. So I over a period of time, I realized that that's the marathon running is actually a mental game. 99.99% is you require stable mind, confident mind, concentration, dedication, focus. The only that 0.1% is your physical fitness. The rest are all, once you set your mind, once you focus your mind, once you control your mind, the body automatically follows. Thank you. Thank you.